Good morning. Congratulations on the purchase of your new Celluma. This morning we're going to walk you through the unboxing of your device. This is the Celluma Pro, and the first thing I want to point out is on one end of the packaging we have a very important label, and this is where your serial number for your Celluma is located. It starts with a C, and that's important because you're going to need that number to put it on the warranty card to return your warranty card to us. So very important. So let's get this thing opened up here, and you can see there's a number of items on top. We have the power supply, we have your papers, quick start guide, documentation, and then the controller is here. Let's start with the power supply. So just take this box out here, and this is everything you need to use Celluma pretty much in any country in the world. So we have a nice neat power supply here. You either attach your US prongs or the prongs you need for whatever country you reside in. You can pretty much use Celluma anywhere in the world. By the way, this is a transformer, it's not just a power plug, so you don't need an extra transformer when you're traveling internationally. So it's very, very convenient. I travel with it all the time. It's great. The next items we're going to unveil here are these. We have the quick start guide. This is a very handy and quick, easy way to get going. It's a two-page document, so be sure to read that from top to bottom. There's also a few tips on there. The next item is your warranty card. So this is very important that you completely fill this out, and don't forget to put your serial number on there as well, and then you just send that back into us. And then the next very important document is your user manual. So you really should read this from end to end. This contains protocols, contraindications, how to clean and store your device. So very important information. You really should take about 10 or 15 minutes to read that from end to end. The next item in here, located in this box area, are our eye goggles. These you can order from us in bulk if you like them, and if not, feel free to use any protective eyewear that you of your own choosing. So the next thing item on here is the control panel. So that actually slips out like here, like that, and then in the bottom of the tray you have your Class 2 medical device. So take that out, and it's very safely wrapped, and then it's got an extra layer of bubble wrapping for safety as well. People like to save this and use it for transporting and using it even if they have a Celluma carry bag. The first thing you'll see is another label on the surface of the device. So this is something that you just remove, obviously, before use. But again, you should read your label. It talks about flexing and how not to over flex the device in the wrong direction. It also has a reminder of the contraindications. And again, very importantly, do not lie or place full body weight on your Celluma devices. So the only other thing of note here is that there are what looks like a couple of other labels. These stay on the shield. This is the Lexan shield here. This is the a protective shield over the diodes themselves. And then I just want to spend a moment on the controller. This is the control panel here. This, you will connect your power supply to the control panel. And one thing I want to point out is that the serial number is also located, again for the second time, on the back of this control panel. And that's everything you need to get going with your new Celluma.